Okay, here's exercise 2.13. Now, as I look at that, so we want to show that for arbitrary events, and we take probability of A1 union A2 union union AN, that's less than or equal to this, well, I'm just going to write it as the sum I equals 1 to n of the probability of AI. Now, so I'm just, for this one to get us started, I'm just going to look at probability of A1 union A2. I know that's probability of A1 plus probability of A2 minus the probability of A1, A2. So this is one way you might go about it, using, the theorem of total probability. So if I do it with the two sets, then I know that this is greater than or equal to 0, and so we get less than or equal to the probability of A1 plus the probability of A2. Now, what I suggest is then, looking at it this way, is you could do induction. And if you aren't sure about how to do induction, you can always talk to me about that. But then you see probability of A1 union A2 union A3 is just the probability of A1 union A2 in parentheses union A3. But now you see I can use, I can set up an induction hypothesis and so forth and say, oh, this is less than or equal to, and use my probability A1 plus probability A2 plus probability of A3. Okay, kind of thing, right? That's what I'm trying to get to. Now, to get that with AN, right? So I'm gonna, you'll end up having A1 through AN minus 1 or something like that, and then an AN. But your induction step would work the same way, is that, I can't just throw that in. What I have to do is say, well, that's less than or equal to probability of A1 union A2 plus probability of A3, and then minus the probability of A1 union A2 intersected with A3. Oops, well, equal to, sorry. And then drop that off to get my less than or equal to of these. And then I get to use the induction part that I already showed that worked up here. Okay, so I think you can use induction really well on this one, on 2.13.